Now just a quick replay, as another one takes the top hook, my bait happens to settle on this crayfish's claw, and he grabs onto it before it gets ripped out of his claws by the other fish biting above him. Now with how quick this all happens, you actually don't see all of the different fish that are actually looking at it while this tarakihi's on the reef. A butterfly perch actually trying to eat the bait at the bottom while this one is hooked up at the top. And even a little banded triplefin wondering what all this commotion is.